We've been waiting to release this machine for a little while now. This is our exciting new product, the MDL Track Chipper. We've put the 25 horsepower V-twin engine on this one. It's also available with the 13 horsepower standard engine. 2 forward speeds, 1 reverse. And everything on this is really top spec. What you've got here is the control panel. This will do, it will monitor the engine's RPM, and this is fully adjustable as well. It's such a clever piece of equipment. When it feeds some material in there, if the engine RPM starts to dip, it will pause the input feed to let the engine catch up, and then it will resume. So you can set that to a 10% engine reduction or 20% engine reduction. So set that to whatever material you're working with for the best compromise. Danfoss hydraulic motor for the hydraulic in feed. The drum on this one, it's got blades and flails to really mulch up the stuff. You can see the quality of the chip with this. And it just obliterates it. Check out the other videos to see more of this thing actually working. I couldn't do the voiceover with it running just with the noise. So it's got a chip accelerator on this one, like an active accelerator, which by means of paddles it really throws the chips out so you don't get any blockages. The chute's 360-degree adjustable. This obviously moves up and down, and this is it. So check out the other videos to see this thing in action. It's really impressive. And any questions, check out the website or give us a call.